What's up, you guys? If you can't tell, I'm taking over today's video, but first let me pass it over to the weatherman to tell you the tide and stuff like that.
All right, we are down by the bait barge. We got honked at by this big Navy ship. Got towed out by John and the Sea-Doo Fish Pro. Water temp is 69 degrees, sitting at 45 feet.
Cool, now that's over. I'll strap you to my chest and let's get fishing. See, it kind of sucks because I don't know how deep it is, but at the end of the day, I still catch just as much fish as all these guys. Alright, Joe just caught a little Hallie. I guess I was wrong about catching the first fish. But, it's okay. Whatever. I'm gonna catch a bigger one. Mr. Joe Larson is putting me on a bigger tube because I don't refrain from any other bait but the tube. Right?
Right.
That's all I use.
Look up Bait Master.
Alright, we're in a new spot. Huh? Oh! Did you see that? I just got, sorry, I'm trying to turn. There we go! Yeah. Woo, got a spotty little one.
Hey, look at bait.
Oh man. I don't even know how to get this out. Go.
Go. Yeah.
Ah! Quick release. Nope. Alright, let's just plop you in. There he goes. Well, alright. That fish didn't like me, which is understandable. But Joe caught a halibut, but I was too busy trying to unhook my fish that I didn't see it, and I needed his help. Usually what happens when we go fishing together. He's just better at it than I am, which is nice. Something's nibbing at it. Yep! Woo. Got another. Oh, it's a, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. A croaker? I might be completely wrong.
Maybe just grab one.
Here, just show the. Okay. Yeah. Baits up.
Thanks, dude.
Jeez. Alright. Spotty, halibut, and a croaker. I think that might have been my first croaker. I don't think I've ever caught one of those before. And, you know, don't make fun of me for not touching fish in the comments because I'm just a girl. Okay? Sometimes it's just no for me. Oh, Joe's caught on something good. That's a good one. Callie? Got a nice size calico. Well, I don't know if you can see that. Huge. Oh! Thought I was like that. It's a huge boat. I don't even know what that is. Glovis. Oh! Oh, it's a Kelly! My favorite. This is my favorite kind of fish, y'all. Alright. I will not freak out. Ow! I'm just kidding. I don't know why I said ow. Look, he's waving. Hey, dudes. What's up, dude? Alright. Adios. Although I gotta turn around. Oh, that looks like turn around. Let's see what Joey caught. Just a little calico. Nice. Joe's on again. What is it? Another calico? It's like the most calicos we've caught. I want to catch a calico. Watch right now. Uh-oh. Maddie's stuck. Let's get unstuck before Joe finds out. Oh yeah, we did it. No one has to know. No, I was on. You know that means drop it back down. Joe's on something big. What is it? Ooh. Oh my gosh. That just absolutely soaked my buns. Like, I don't know if you can see my arm. Soaked. Thing on my butt. Soaked. Now if I don't catch a fish right now, I'm gonna be pissed. Because I'm soaked. Oh man. This sucks. Thank you. I think it's a mackerel. Yeah. Oh, it's a heli. That's even better. Well, I don't have anything. You want to shoot the camera?
Let's go.
Alright, put it in. Wait. Alright. Now we are back on the other side. Just a little more Right. My human fish finder is nowhere to be found, so we're going to be winging it. But I think we're pretty deep. Might have to even go shallower. Let's go shallower. Probably fish in between these boats or in front. Good size spotty. Oh, there we go. Babe! Oh, over here. Oh, just a small little one. I'm out. There we go. Sorry, usually I do it with my other arm. But yeah. My God, I don't even know how I hooked it. Huh? Dude, I hooked its like top lip and bottom lip together. Okay. You gonna open? Open. Open over there, mouth. There he is, licking my finger. See? Oh God, scared me. There we go. Oh, oh, there it is. Oh, it's a Hallie.
It's just a baby.
Oh. Let me open my bail. There we go. Okay, let's just see you, buddy. Yeah. Stuck. I'm on a fish. I'm on a fish. I thought I was freaking. Did I not say grass bass? I said it. I thought it was stuck. Yeah. Dude, look at all the grass. There we go. Look at all that grass. Look, babe. See you, bud.
All right, this guy wanted a hookup bait
And
a lizard fish. 2 fish, 1 mouth.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, it's still alive.
Mondo. All right, buddy. You going? All right, you guys, that's gonna be it for the day. We had a good couple hours on the water. Went to a spot we've never been before, the bait barge. Didn't have much luck there. Then we got dragged back over to the pilings across where we caught a good few. We caught a lot. Made our way back over to the area where we docked and caught a lot again. So overall, really good day. So glad that I got to record for you guys because Joe was feeling a little not into it. So if you can, please give it a like and subscribe to my man because he's the best. You're gonna subscribe. Okay, anyways. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.